Welcome to my very first video series on Eat, Live, Wander. I'm going to show you how to create a multi-course dining experience using the recipes from only one cookbook. I will take you step by step through cooking each recipe, and also show you how to serve the courses at your own dinner party. The first cookbook is a sentimental favorite of mine titled Jubilee, Recipes from 2 Centuries of African American Cooking by Toni Tipton-Martin. This cookbook is special to me because it focuses on removing the corporate, caricatured representation of African American cooks, like an Aunt Jemima or Uncle Ben, and shines a light on overlooked chefs who have contributed to the canon of African American cuisine. The expectation that Black cooking always be soul food flattens the rich diversity inherent in a diverse group of people with broad interests, tastes, and ideas. Toni scoured almost 400 cookbooks, dating all the way back to the 1800s, to present us with a curated offering of recipes. There are many angles of which to explore African American cooking. Toni chose to explore Black cooking through the lens of class. In Jubilee's introduction, Toni writes, "This book broadens the African American food story. It celebrates the enslaved and the free, the working class, the middle class, and the elite. At its core, African American cuisine reflects the blending of 2 distinct culinary styles. One was crafted by ingenious and industrious field hands in slave cabins from meager ingredients informed by African techniques. The other signifies the lavish cooking in the plantation kitchen or in kitchens staffed or owned by people educated formally and informally in culinary arts." Let's explore our Jubilee menu. I hope you stick around for the rest of the series. If you want to see a video tutorial on how each recipe is prepared, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.